How should I approach a bulk migration to the cloud that is 20 plus terabytes? All right, so for large to very large data migrations, it's always a good idea to break down or categorize the data into buckets. These buckets are typically allocated by business priority, and they can help you modularize the migration planning and execution processes. As well, aspects like data interdependence, historical data movement, DML actions on historical data can also be listed out and factored into the planning and execution phases. The execution itself can be initially piloted with a reasonable subset of data to test things like technology setup, services used, efficiency of the migration, right? Speed at which data is exported, transmitted, and uploaded. And honestly, with today's internet speeds, 20 terabytes, even a couple hundred terabytes is pretty manageable. But when it gets to petabyte scale, then we're probably looking to physical devices and services to get that data into the cloud. And of course, ensure that data governance and data quality standards are always adhered to. Those standards can be quite a bit daunting for extremely large data sets, but regardless must be handled throughout the whole entire migration process.